Assalamualaikum my dear student. Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sonia Khan, Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for a student of 4. Now I am going to take a class. Our today's topic is short question 1 to 4. And our lecture number is 14 and homework number is 13. Again I am repeating, our topic is short question 1 to 4, lecture 14, homework number 13. Okay, let's start our topic. Competency based short question. Question number 1. The houses made by different ethnic groups are different from ours. How do the Chakma build their house? Answer. The Chakma built their house on a platform made of bamboo. They use wood, bamboo and clay to make the wall and roof of their house. That's our question number 1. Now question number 2. Food habit tells a lot about a group or a community. What food does the Shautal have as their substance? Answer. Rice is the staple food of the Shautal. Besides, they eat fish, meat, vegetables and especially nolita or jute leaves as their native dish. Question number 3. The Manipuri have many festivals. When do they celebrate their festivals? Answer. The Manipuri celebrate their festivals all the year round. Their festivals are closely connected with their religion. Now the last question, question number 4. Assets are the resources to meet our needs. What are social assets? Answer. Social assets are local facilities that are built and maintained to help people's well-being. We can get these facilities officially or unofficially. Some social assets are schools, hospitals, religious buildings, park and playground etc. Okay student, that is our today's topic. I hope you have understood today's topic and your homework number is 13 and your homework competency based short question 1 and number 2. Again I am repeating your homework number short question 1 and 2. So student, keep practicing and abide by your parents and do homework and will submit your homework on Sunday. See you again.